What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to properly maintain the motor of your treadmill. My name is Pedro, I'm the owner of Gym Installations and we have been servicing fitness equipment for over 10 years. Okay guys, we're going to be working inside of the motor. First of all, we have to unplug the treadmill. Second step is going to be removing the motor cover. In this case we have 2 screws over here and 2 velcros at the back. In some cases other treadmills are going to have 4 screws, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. So now that the motor is exposed, you can see it is collecting dust. Dust accumulates water and the water is going to be corroding the electrical components. That's the reason why we have to get it clean. So to get rid of the dust, I always prefer to use a blower. It is much better than a brush because with a brush, when cleaning, you can just simply knock off one of the cables, and this is the reason why this is a better solution. If you don't have a blower, you can also use a vacuum to clean all the dust on the motor. So guys, and the following step is going to be checking the incline motor. What you're looking for here is making sure the bolt is not completely dry or if it is making any noise. And if it is making any noise, you are just going to have a little bit of grease and you're just going to lubricate the bolt a little bit. Keep in mind, if it is making a noise, most likely you're going to have to replace it soon, and this is just simply going to be a temporary fix. Let me tell you something. If somebody tells you got to use a specific kind of grease, it is bullshit. Any grease is better than no grease. Now the next step is going to be checking the motor belt. Right here, we're going to see between the grooves if it is dirty or if it is cracked. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be turning the motor manually and we're going to check right here on these grooves. We're going to look for dust, dirt, or if the belt is dry and it is cracked. In this case, this belt is pretty good. No cracks, no dust, no issues. And hey, one more thing. You didn't hear this from me, by the way. If you hear the motor belt that is squeaking a little bit, you can just simply grab a bar of soap, just rub it on top or below where the grooves are, and the sound is going to go away. Still, the belt has to be replaced. And that's it guys for the motor. You can put the cover back on. If you guys want to see anything else, let us know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.